Hello, hi everyone. Good morning. You can have a look over here what all materials are there. So hi once again. My name is Namrata Yogi and today we are here to make a beautiful cactus artwork with Zendoodle pattern in camel art workshops. Okay, let me just quickly introduce to you what all material we are using. So we're gonna use a drawing book. Okay, so I'm using A4 size drawing book. If you don't have A4 size, A3 size or A5 size is perfectly fine, or you can also use paper. Okay, a drawing paper, a thick drawing paper is recommended, but just in case if you don't have it, you can also use a JK paper, which is easily available at our home. Okay, then we need a pencil, drawing pencil. Okay, I generally use, like, this is my favorite one. It's a Camlin Supreme HD pencil and it works out best. It's a very like a dark pencil, so I really like making drawings with this pencil, so I'm going to use this pencil today. Then we need a eraser. Okay, then if you haven't sharpened your pencil, then of course sharpener. Then we also need sketch pens. So this is a new packaging of the sketch pen, like, which has recently launched, and I'm gonna use this. I'm very much excited to use it. It's so colorful, right? So I'm gonna use this sketch pens. 12 shades sketch pens are okay, 24 shades are okay, whichever like you have, that's absolutely fine. Just it needs to be colorful. And just in case if you don't have sketch pens, you can also use like a pens if you have in your house. Okay. Then we need color pencils. So I'm gonna use these like new package again, this Camlin color pencils, and they are awesome. I have used it over here and they work so beautifully. You'll get to see while using. Okay, and then we need a ruler. Okay, so I'm using a 12-inch ruler. If you have a big one, great. If not, you can also use a smaller size one. Okay, if you're finding any difficulty in making the lines and all, you can take help of your parents. Okay, so let's get started. Are you all excited? I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna put my ruler over here and I'm just gonna draw another line like this. Okay, make sure you hold your ruler tightly. So just draw a nice curvy line. Okay, one more thing I would recommend, even if you are using dark pencil or a light pencil, don't press the pencil. Okay, because the more you press the pencil, and if we make any mistake, then it's little difficult to erase the lines, sometimes, because it create a marking on the paper. Okay, so make sure you put less pressure on the pencil. Okay, now after doing this, here in the middle, okay, I'm gonna draw a big cactus like this. You just have to draw letter U upside down like this, but you don't have to draw perfectly straight. It can be slightly curvy. Okay, so just make sure you draw letter U upside down. So I'm just gonna turn it into a character. Okay, so just draw like a curvy line, and then I'm gonna draw another one like this. It's all up to you, but I'm gonna make a smaller one. Okay, because we're gonna draw different shades of colors. You see how many different shades are there? It kind of looks like a rainbow. Of course the sequence is little different, but we're gonna make that in the background. Okay, so here I have made a circle like this. Now around this I'm gonna draw another circle like this, slightly bigger in size, this way. Okay, so just draw another curve like that. It looks like letter C. So how many spaces I have? So one is the circle. So just draw another curvy line or slightly wavy line in the background and make one more over here like this. Okay, so this is going to be your ground. And as I said, we're gonna turn this cactus into a character. Okay, so I know it is not there in the original drawing. It's your choice if you want to make it or not, but I'm gonna make cute eyes to my cactus. Okay, so here you can draw one circle like this, another circle like this. Okay, and then you can make a smile like this way. Okay, so just draw two eyes and a smile. Looks cute, right? And I'm just gonna show open smile so that it looks like the cactus is like, maybe laughing. Okay, something like this way. So if the eyes and the mouth are coming in between, you just stop there and then you continue like this. So you can just draw it like this way. Okay, so I have made 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, to make 4 parts you have to make 3 lines. Then you draw one hand on the left side, it's like another curve over here, and one more this side. Okay. Yes, if you don't want to use black, you can also use any other color, it's fine. Okay. Also, after like outlining is done, don't forget to erase the pencil lines. Yes. So someone has asked me if you can, where you can buy these materials. So one thing is there, these materials are easily available on Amazon. Some dots, yellow colored dots also over here like this. Okay? Make sure when you are making it, leave some space in between. Okay? Okay. So just make 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how I made the fish scale pattern with my orange color. But one thing is there is that here you can make the lines little close to each other. Together like this. I am using a pink color for this. You can use some different color as well. That's fine. Okay. So what I am going to do is I am going to make a big circle like this. Okay. You don't have to make a perfect whole circle. You can just make it like as much as space that you have. Then you draw another circle inside like this, and then you just make small curves like this. Okay. It kind of looks like a candy cane. Okay. Okay. So keep repeating till you complete the part. Okay. And then I am going to take my favorite blue color. Okay. And with blue color I am just going to draw small circles like this, not too small either, like a medium size one. And I am just going to make them little randomly like this, and you can make a little dot inside the circle. Okay. Yeah. So I am just, meanwhile we are going to get started with the next step. I will just quickly tell again, if you after the artwork is done, you can post it on Instagram. You can tag Kokyo Camlin. Okay. And you can also tag Namrata Yogi, that's me. Okay, so that I get to see your artworks. Also we will repost your artworks on our stories. Okay, like some lines following the the way I have made upper curve, in the same way I will make the curves, like making some lines in it. Okay, but make sure you give some like more space. Don't make it like too close to each other, that is very important. Okay, leave some space and then draw it like this way. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to make small curves, like swirl pattern inside it. So it's like so that's how you make like nice spiral pattern inside the first part. Okay. So what you do, you make 4 standing lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what you do in the space, you make some sleeping lines. So some of them are standing, some of them are sleeping like this. So how do you make it? You make one U like this, but when you are making the second one, you have to overlap it like this. Okay, bigger gap which is over here, like between the U, like the two ends of the U, there you can make small dots like this. Okay, and then whatever is the little gap which is left, if you want you can just make small circles like this, anything of your choice. Okay, so you just draw small like tilted lines, slanting lines, and make a nice triangular pattern. And then what you can do is you can just make some lines inside it like this. Okay, some tilted lines, and then over here I am gonna make small triangles, like a little, it's kind of like a cone shape, like a ice cream cone. Okay, and then you see the gap between the two, there you add one more. Again black sketch pen, and I am going to add some more lines like this. Again I am going to draw some curvy lines, slanting lines over here, and I am going to make triangles. Okay, you can also make some dots like this in the pattern. Again choose your own patterns, whichever you like. So I am going to take some green color, and over here I am going to make 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to leave some space, and I'm going to do the same thing over here, okay. And then between these lines you have to draw letter X. It's like you have to join the ends of the lines together to make letter X like this. After the dark green is done, I'm going to take light green color. I hope you are all having fun. Okay, so now I'm going to use color pencils, and with yellow color I'm just going to add the color over here like this, okay. Now after yellow is done, again I'm going to like use the same yellow, and just over here I'm going to add it like this. I will just take a little bit of orange color and just very lightly add on the top of it. It's kind of like a shading, okay. So just a little bit, and then I'm going to take orange color pencil again, okay, and I'm just going to color it like this way, you know. I'm just adding some like lines over here in this direction, okay. So I'm going to go slightly quicker because we have certain time limitations, okay. You can use different colors. Now for coloring is super easy, right? It's not that difficult. Just color it this way. I'm just pressing my color pencil a bit. So there we go. Ta-da. So I'm just going to take purple now, and I'm going to add it all over. Then I'm going to take brown color, and I'm going to add it to the background. So you can, for the ground which is over here, you can use brown and yellow, that is also okay. So I am using alternately, as I said. I am coloring one part with brown, I am leaving another space for the yellow color, okay. So here I am just going to add it like this. See the video and make it, and if you have any queries about the artwork or something, you can definitely ask us. You can ask Kokyo Camly in Instagram, on like you can just message them, or you can message me. It's Namrata Yogi, and I would love to, you know, guide you, okay. So make sure that you upload it for sure, and I hope you all had fun while making the artwork. Take your time, color it nicely, beautifully. I just had to do little bit in rush because of the time, but I know you have lot of time, you have entire day, so you can take your time and complete the artwork. And yeah, that's it. And I hope you all had like a great time today, and I would love to see you again for the next session for Diwali one, okay. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day. Have a cactus, just write the name of your cactus as well, okay. And I would love the different expressions that you have done, put those pictures as well, okay. Yeah, thank you, bye bye, take care.